Number 1, how many electrons are in a single covalent bond? Now let's think about that. Each atom comes to the table to contribute 1 electron. So the answer is 2. There are always 2 electrons in a single covalent bond. When a bond is broken, is energy absorbed or is it released? And the answer is that energy has to come in. Energy is absorbed to break the energy that's already held within that bond. Number 3, what is the name of the force that holds 2 atoms together? Remember, the nucleus of each of the atoms is pulling on the other atom's electrons, keeping it close to one another. We call that the electrostatic force. In water molecules, oxygen has a partial negative charge because of why? And the answer is, remember, oxygen is going to be bonded to 2 hydrogens, right? And the oxygen pulls their share